It's been a year and 10 months since I adopted my mealy Amazon parrot. She does not let me hold her, so taking her to the vet or to get groomed can be a long process. I give her lots of love and attention, but she doesn't want to step up. If you have any tips, please let me know. The great news is that she stopped plucking her feathers 3 months after I adopted her. She doesn't seem to grow bird feathers. It's more like poodle, fluffy, puffy hair. I think that makes her unique and beautiful. Just trying to get her into her smaller cage today took me about 45 minutes. I'll be taking her to A Parrots Cove near Willowbrook Mall in Houston, Texas. I know this took way longer than it should have, but as soon as she saw me take out her travel cage, she knew it was time to go somewhere, and she wasn't having it. Okay, so this is my last resort. I really didn't want to scare her, but I had to use this to get her to fly to her smaller cage. After a minute in the car ride, she settled down and seemed to enjoy it. Everyone that works here is so sweet, and the technician was able to get her in 0.002 seconds. She truly is a bird whisperer. She clipped her nails in the speed of light, and before you knew it, she was done.